just decided to do this quick tutorial for you guys. And what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some yarn. I'm gonna be using acrylic yarn as I always do because I love my acrylic and it's cheaper. And then I have my 3mm crochet hook, and we're gonna be making bikini bottoms. This is a friendly beginner tutorial, so anybody can make it, and it's super easy. I'm just gonna make the pattern as I go. So we're gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're gonna add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. The 3 that we added is going to be our first double crochet, and then we're gonna make double crochet on the 4th stitch, which is this one. 1. Make sure that there is 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then you're gonna chain 3, 2, 3, 10-hour work into the first one. You're gonna insert a double crochet, and then we're gonna do double crochets until we get to here, the last one, and then we're going to make 6 rows of half double crochets, and I will meet you guys when I'm done with my 6 rows. And here we have it, guys. I am done with my 6 rows, and now we're going to be increasing. This is the front. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys that we're doing the front, and then we're gonna come back and do the back when we're done with front. So as usual, you're going to chain 3 and turn your work, and then into the first stitch you're going to insert, instead of 1 double crochet, you're going to insert 2 double crochets. So 1, 2, and then you're going to continue inserting your double crochets, and then when you get to the last one, we're going to insert 2. Now we're in the last stitch. We're gonna have 1 and 2. So as you can see, it's starting to stretch, and it's gonna be giving us that triangle that we want. And we're going to be, okay, let me show you again for the last time. 1, 2, 3, turn your work. First stitch, 2 double crochets, normal. Second, third, fourth, and fifth, we do normal double crochets. Sorry, they're no longer 4, 5, so we added 2 more. And now we are in the last one, which is this one. We're gonna add 1 and 2 double crochets. So here is the triangle that we're going for. As you can see, it's starting to form when you stretch it like this, and here like this. As you go to your 13th row, you're going to see the triangle is fully formed. If you are a different size, because I'm doing for a size small or medium, if you are large, you can like add maybe 2 rows from here. Instead of 6, you can add up to 8, and then from the increased part, if you, instead of 13, you can do like, you can do 15. You can do 15 rows. Okay, I'll meet you guys when I'm done with my front area. Here is my 13 rows of increase. I am all done, as you can see. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks. And now we are going to be doing the butt area. I don't know why it sounds so funny, but gonna be doing our back of the bikini. So we're going to be attaching our yarn. I'm gonna attach it this side. And we're just going to go straight to double crochets, like increase. We're just going to start increasing from the first one because we want it to be like covered. 1, 2, 3. This is the first one, and this is the second one. And we're going to normal double crochets, and then when we get to the 6th stitch, we are going to be increasing again, and this is the last one here. 1 and 2. Yeah, and then chain 3. Turn our work. I'm gonna show you again. Increase on the first one. Sorry. Normal double crochets and then increase on the last stitch. One, the last stitch, and 2. So we're going to be doing this until you get like the coverage that you want, and I will show you guys how mine turned out. I'll just be repeating the same thing till I am here to where our front starts, and then I'll be doing this off camera as well, and I will meet you guys. I hope you're still following me on this pattern because it is super easy. You can do it as a beginner, and you can just like make your own bikinis from today. So I hope you're really enjoying this pattern, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and my other videos on my YouTube channel, turn on notification, and also share with your besties. All done. As you can see, this is the front and this is the back, because the back is has much more coverage than the front. And then we are just going to do the border because I don't like it when it's just like this. I already started this side. As you can see, it's straight and it looks good on this side, so I'm just gonna show you how you're going to do it. We're going to be doing the border with single crochets. So for those of you who don't know how to do single crochet, this is how you do it. So this is our first half double crochet, this one here, and then you're gonna insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're gonna yarn over, pull through all 2, and you're going to do another single crochet. Yeah, you're going to continue doing single crochets all around your bikini bottoms until and then when you get to the corner, which is here, you're going to make 2 single crochets for the corner, and then you're going to continue to the next single crochet, and you're just going to be doing single crochets until you get to where you started from. And then when you get there, you're going to make a slip stitch and then chain 1, and you can cut off your yarn and use a darning needle or your hook to kind of weave in the ends, and you are all done. Guys, we are done with our bikini, and I just chained a chain of 100, and then I'm just going to insert it here like this, and on this other side just going to tie it. And we are done with our bikini. I'm just going to weave in this one and cut off these, and I'm done. Let me make a knot. I love how this turned out. It's super easy, as I mentioned in my video before we started. This is super easy and takes less than 2 hours for you to make, but if you're a beginner it can take longer. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, open your notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. A new video is coming out next week, so please guys subscribe to the channel and try out these tutorials. This will literally change your life. You can make a living out of crocheting. You can do it part-time, but it will definitely bring you some income, some extra income. So love you guys, and thank you so much for the support so far. Keep on doing it. See you next time. Bye.